How to download and set up YNAB, but before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So if you are on your Apple device or Android, just go to App Store or Google Play Store, type in YNAB and just download it. Now once it has downloaded, you want to open it. Then since you don't already have an account with them, you want to click on try YNAB for free. Then you want to enter your name. Then how do you feel about your finance today? So be true about this, because nobody else will see this except for you. So there's no reason to lie, and they're going to give you a much better user experience if you do. So you can see, let's build one on the work. Okay, so click let's go. So how do you spend money on? So you can have myself, partner, other adults, teen, kids, pets. So let's say myself, partner, and pets in this case. Share the subscription with the ones you love. So as you can see, YNAB Together feature has helped countless partners, teens, and closing groups of up to 6 people take their finances and relationship to a better place. So click on continue. So tell us about your home. So let's just say I own the house and that I have a mortgage and I don't have any debt at the moment. How do I get around? Let's just say car and I walk. On what do I spend my money on? Let's say pretty much everything. Which of the subscriptions? Let's just do these ones. Another surprise expense. Let's look at the expenses sneak up on you. So basically these are the expenses that you don't see them coming, but they do come. So you can select what are these expenses like sneak up on you. So let's say vet visits are the one. Let's say continue. Now what are you planning to do? So let's just say this is an emergency fund and I don't know, vacation. Continue. Now it takes you where do you want your money to take you. So you have dining out, entertainment, video games, hobbies, and this is the last step. Then you click on show me the money, which is basically that will create your plan. And here's basically how that looks like. So I have bills, needs, etc. Then you need to sign up to continue. Now you can choose continue with Apple, continue with Google, or sign up with your email address. Okay, now that the account is being created, you can try it for free, and then it costs 16 euros a month or 120 euros a year. As you can see, my free trial will last basically for a month. Now that you have created your account, now you can choose your budget currency. You can use dollars, number formatting, and the dates. Once you're done with that, just click on let's go, and that's it. You can now, as your first step, set your targets, and once you set your targets, top right click on next. And then you can add your balances if you currently have any money in some of these accounts. So let's just click on add balance. You can do linked, which connects to your bank account and automatically imports transactions, or you can do unlinked, where you have to input transactions manually. Let's say this is cash 50. Okay, then you just click on next, and then you can always add another unlinked link. Let's just say like this is test to whatever, and that this is a credit card, and I have 60 here. Next. You know what, let's just ignore the second one for now. We just go with the cash. So as you can see, we have money, the app is created, and that's it, at least how to set it up. If you have any other questions about the app, let me know in the comments down below. and I'll be making more of content for YNAB so that you know. But yeah, as I mentioned, this is it. Now you have to play around. If you like click on something specific, if you have anything it's going to show you, you can always, let's say my mortgage is 50 a month, then you click done. As you can see, now 50 more is needed this month so that it's paid. You have for gas and heating, so you can't do anything here. You have to go to the top right on the pen and then edit everything there. And of course, if you want to assign money, you just click on assign money, and you can then tap and say assign money, and then it will go exactly to mortgage, and then this will be paid off. But yeah, basically, as I mentioned, that's it for this tutorial at the moment. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you have any specific topics you want me to make about YNAB, let me know in the comments down below.